this is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is what blessings are coming next for you, friends, for Virgos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. You can also cross watch it for a Virgo, friends. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way. Please do subscribe, Magic Wednesday Tarot, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading and always get notifications. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwednesdaytarot.com. So let's see Virgos, by any astrology you can watch this. And I don't usually do these readings, but Spirit was telling me to do them because June is a big month, and like lot is happening right now, so it was like necessary. What blessings are coming for Virgos? How are you, Virgos? How are you doing? Tell me, how is life? And is it hard? Is it tough? Because you had been through a lot. Trust me, for Virgos. See, your cards are also not coming out. They are not at all jumping. You are like relaxing, huh? I feel that. See, the 5 of Cups, the 10 of Wands. Okay. I'll take those. The 9 of Wands, the Emperor, the Star, wish is coming true. Beautiful, friends. Virgos, congratulations. I know why the cards were not coming. You were not feeling happy. You were almost like before I started the shuffling, you were like, I don't want to see my cards. I'm done with bad news. Did you feel that? Some of you felt that, I don't want to see this. I'm done with bad news. I can't even take it anymore. I know it's been tough for you. I know that. I had been reading for you since 2019. I know that, friends. It's been tough. I mean, like every day I had read for Virgos, see Chariot and the Star. Oh my God, not just wishes coming true, but forward movement, progress. And yes, see, yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. 6 of Swords and the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Queen of Swords is here. Virgos, this is beautiful. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel you are going to offer someone the cup of love, or someone will offer you a cup of love. Oh my God. We'll clarify. Let's just clarify. Empress is also here. Now your cards are jumping out. I feel this person's energy is quite exciting. It's their energies that the card are jumping out. See? Wow. Some things are changing for you, Virgos. I feel right now you're feeling, Virgos, like life is a very big disappointment. Things are not going your way. You feel like, stuck. You feel you have lost a few things. I also feel like you may be feeling like, there is a lack of hope. You're feeling sorry for yourself, or you feel like life will not change. There is no hope left. You feel an emotional distance with someone, maybe with your friends, family, or you are in a different country or a city and you feel very unhappy. You feel like there is no one for you to help you out or understand you. I also feel you had been trying to forget these pains, forget this sorrow, and try to focus on work. You had been trying to do things alone, and it has become a struggle for you, Virgos. Why are you trying to do things alone? I don't know why. Because there has been a loss, and there has been like too many losses. Maybe someone disappointed you, you disappointed yourself, or your parents, your family, your lovers, or something. And also, like, you trying to do, like, you are focusing on work to forget this thing, but it is also not going well. So you are like in that energy of feeling defeated, and When will things change? You are waiting for that. When will things change? I feel yes, they are going to change. Things are going to change positively for you, Virgos. You are the emperor. So come into your power, Virgos. Come into your power and don't just stay in a negative energy. Don't try to do things alone. Become the leader that you are meant to be, and become stronger. I feel you are already strong, but it is like you are so strong that you are even refusing the help of anybody right now, whether it is for your emotional life, personal life, your work, career. You are not accepting anybody's help because you are very rigid. Like, I can do it myself. Why you are helping me? I can do it myself. I don't need anybody's help. So you are in that energy, Virgos, which is becoming a little, which is making you defeated, which is making you all this, like you have all these wounds, all these. It is making you like you are struggling. When there is help and you can accept it, you are struggling. You don't need to do things alone. You also have the star card, so the blessing that is coming towards you is your wishes are going to come true. Absolutely, friends, this is the perfect card for this reading. Your wish is coming true, and something that you desire is going to happen. And definitely, I feel your worries, your tensions, and your disappointments are going to heal. Your creativity is also going to be very high if you are an artist, musician, actor, or maybe a writer, publisher, or any field you are from. Your creativity will be high, and it is like, God finally saying, yes, see, this is the thing you need to do, and here is the way, here is the lock, here is the key, go for it, Virgos. It's like God giving you right in your hand. It's like God putting you right in your hand, the key and the lock, and like, go for it. Go for it. And I definitely feel things are going to get pace, pace. How do I say this? In a forward movement, things are going to get fast, they are going to get quick. It's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like suddenly you are on this classical. If we talk about music, you are on this very slow, almost to a sad song right now. You are in that energy of like the cheesiest of sad song, and suddenly you enter into that rap song or a fast song. Life becomes exciting. So that is going to happen. Things are going to progress. Don't lose hope, Virgos. You need to stay in the focused. You need to stay flexible. Yes, you can accept the help. You deserve it. It is there for you. It is coming. Help is coming for you. Even spirit doesn't help everybody. So if it comes to you, take it. Angels come to those in disguise. So take it. Don't say no, because they could be angels for you. I feel, yes, emotional. I feel a lot of blessings are coming in your emotions. You could be healing, or your health. I feel if you have any health issues like anxiety, depression, sadness, or maybe like you are working too much, so you are not sleeping well, all those things are going to heal, and your health is going to get better. You are going to find people who will support you, maybe. Even medical people who can assist you, but definitely emotionally also you are going to progress, and a relationship is going to get better. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Virgos, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel I feel like you are going to offer this person a cup of love, or they are going to offer you love, and you feel this person is like the queen or the king. You're the perfect person for you, but you had been resistant, and maybe this person has tried to offer you love or something, or like a friendship, but you tried to like refuse it. But I feel things will be changing there, because this is the karma. This could be a karmic or a soulmate relationship, so some sort of a change will definitely happen. Let's just clarify what will happen in this relationship for Virgos. I see forward momentum. I see wishes coming true. I feel like you and this person are dreaming, or you have a dream to work together. See, this is a soulmate connection. This is absolutely your soulmate, someone you have known from a long time or from childhood, or this could be a new person coming in, and you will feel like you have known each other from long. and you will work with them, and you may have a joint venture, a joint project with them, or you may work as world leaders or something together, because this is huge. You have the chariot, you have the star. I feel if you are at a distance with this person, Virgos, that is also going to shift. Maybe you will move in together, or you will build a home or a career. Something big is going to happen, friends. Something big is going to happen. And I also feel it is about your work. It's like you are doing things alone. So this person could come as a work person, like someone at senior at your work, and they will help you to get these things fixed in your life, these disappointments. So they will make your work life more progressive, more creative, innovative. So it's like destined, it is like a relationship that will come for either your love life or for your work, and it's gonna change your life, and it's what you need, Virgo. See, I feel you are lying to yourself that you don't need anybody. I feel this is like you saying, nah, I don't need anybody. I can do it myself. Why do I need people? I don't need people. I don't need help. You see, I'm the boss, I'm the emperor, and it's not like that. It's like you just cannot accept it. It's like I'm helpless. I don't know how to accept help. And you are like waiting. You are like, yeah, something is going to shift. Yes, it will. It will shift. It will shift for you, Virgos. Absolutely. Big changes are coming, and it will make things more positive and fluid and creative. Let's see. I can't even breathe because it's like you are brimming with excitement. You are like, yes, 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 this is what I want. Round and round. There is something that's frustrating you. You could be 25, your birth date, or this person's. There is a situation that, or you could be running like, you could be making the same mistakes again, or you could be like refusing help or something, Virgos. See, come to the edge. It is time to step out of your comfort zone, Virgos. It is time to, accept things. It is time to enjoy the moment, serendipity. See, number 18, take the chance, take the risk. Life is gonna offer you what you want. It is already there, or it's coming. Just catch it. It is like you need this clover, and it is coming, but you need to catch it. You need to grab it. You are like, yes. So go for it, friends. Don't hold yourself back. Sometimes, Virgos can be too prideful, they can be too analytical. Maybe you are too egoistic to accept help, especially at your work. I feel money is coming your way, and you may be feeling like you are not having enough money, but it is coming. But you need to come out of your, like, you need to tell your friends, see, I need some money, or can you tell me like some job offers, or maybe you can give me some job ideas or something. So that way, you need to talk, share also. You need to do your part also. Don't just refuse help. Wow, higher power. This is destined for you, friends. Whatever is going to happen is destined. Number 4 is here. Someone very intuitive, very spiritual, a mentor in your work life or your love life is coming for you. This is destined, friends. This is destined, Virgos. Let's see what else. Final messages for Virgos. I'm getting breathless now. Choose your battles. I feel like you are trying to, you are trying to become this master alone, and it's becoming difficult, friends. It's becoming difficult because you may feel like you can't do things alone, or you like fighting with people. You don't want to fight. I feel like you want to do things alone, but that's not the way. If you go alone, friends, you can walk a very small path, but if you take everyone together, you can walk longer, because like, if you can walk alone also. But I think right now is the time when help is coming for you. A master is coming, or an angel or a guide is coming. Maybe your ancestors or your spirit guides want to help you, so accept that help, Virgo. Sorry to say again and again, but yeah, I think you are being trying to do things like, yeah, I will do my things. I'll do my things. Wheel. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So I think it is time to be sure and take charge. And when things happen, just say yes, peacock. Be aware. See, great pride. Oh my goodness gracious. Angels confirmed it. See, great pride. You are like, I have so much pride. How can I accept help? And it's a good thing. You shouldn't feel like you can't accept help, it is low or something like that. I feel help is given to those You must have done something good. That is why you are getting this help. And sometimes the people who come as strangers are angels. So don't say no, friends. Don't say no. It's your good karma. It's something you must have done that's coming your way back, right? So why the pride in it? Happiness. See, there is so much happiness coming for you, Virgos. I'm the happiest person when Virgo readings are like, woo, lightning, control your anger so you'll be sorry. I feel like someone or you could be very angry, or maybe someone is upset with you. You will be taken care of in difficult times. See, you have a lot of support. You don't need to worry, Virgos. Pineapple, a reconciliation. Yes, a happy reunion is coming, or someone you have a deep connection is coming for you. Wine, seek out information that will help you. I feel this is like you have to reach out to people because there are all these good things here: work, love, career. You just need to go to them and say hi. So that's it for you, Virgos. Please do subscribe Magic Gwen's Tarot, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicgwenstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Gwen's Tarot. Your reading made me breathless. I think you're very excited. You deserve it, friends. You deserve it, Virgos. Go for it. All the best. Let me know if this came true for you. So this is Mystic C saying bye for now.